Okay, welcome back. This video is going to be about the track and rail system, an intro to the track and rail system. Basically, it's going to give you that little split look into your dancing. So we're going to move side to side and away from toward the camera so that you get a good view of this, okay? So first and foremost, we're going to take it from an open position and also a closed position so you can know how to get into it. So closed position first. From here, we're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from a closed position here. And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Cool. Now, take it from an open position. You're a little further away. All right, and quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. Yes, let's take it from this angle. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Very cool. Now, always remember, if you need more detail about this, go to your private lesson style videos. It'll give you a lot more detail. Right now, it's about positioning and rhythm. Positioning and rhythm, okay? So we're going from here, closed position. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Nice. Let's take it from a two-hand hold position from here. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Nice. And you notice again, the lady stays on the track. I go to the inside rail. So go practice this on your own or together. It doesn't matter. It's about setting up for that split rail, that track and rail system that we talk about. Okay. So again, if you need more detail, refer to the private lesson style. Other than that, go have fun and come on back.